problem here. One of the problems that should never happen, but it happened. The nuts vibrated loose. So now this thing, every time I hit about 55, 60 miles an hour, it comes loose and then it hammers on here. So I'm going to have to take off the headliner and fix it. It's one of those frustrating things. I'm going to start with removing these screws here. Okay. Other headliner screw. Get it undone. Your hands into this little side piece of plastic and kind of just pop it off there. Just need to work your way down. It's got little clips in there, you can see. Great. You see the type of clips they have? Just make sure you're really close so you don't break anything. Same thing on the other side, just dig your hands in there. Just kind of pop it off like that. And just work your way down. Try to get close to your hand to the clip as you can and pop it off again. Good job. Front. After you've popped off 1, 2, 3 clips, there you need to pull up on it like this. Like this. So it'll come out. You can't just keep yanking on it because it's got that tab there. Same thing on the other side. The passenger seat. And just gonna dig your fingernail in there and open that up. And you have a clothes hanger on the side. And it's a number 3. So they're gonna be pretty tight. Be sure to push pretty hard and don't strip it out. You need to push pretty hard and don't cam out the screwdriver. Kind of Christmas tree style fasteners are in the back. The way you get them out is you can use a specialized tool, upholstery tools. They sell them at Harbor Freight and that would be best. I'm just going to use a tool made for drywall. Just kind of hook them around and kind of just pop it off like that. So be sure yours isn't rusty so it doesn't leave a rust stain on your headliner. Kind of grab on the side here, get a little squeeze and tilt. It'll pop right off. And we got 2 fasteners here. We got to take those off. It's got a little tab here on the electrical connector. Just squeeze it, and it'll pop off like that. Just squeeze and pull. And that's off now. Just start grabbing it, work your fingers underneath there and start popping it off. Like that. You got these little things here. Just a little screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, go underneath them, pop it like that. They come right off. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Now work your hands and feel for the snaps. There's 1, there's 2, there's going to be another one around here I think. There, you can see, just start snapping them off. And just work your hands around along the length of this thing and do that. You're going to have to take off the seat belt here. So just kind of grab it, pop it open. There should be a tab on the top. There we go. And you have a special star fastener. And I'll tell you what size that is shortly. Actually, feel where it's loose. And when it starts getting tight, you know there's a fastener there. You just gotta yank it like that. Try not to break anything. And we gotta get the seatbelt open. There we go. Same idea. We gotta get that fastener out. Pull the seatbelt down and just pop it right off. Work your hand underneath there. There you go. It comes off. And this one is a nut. What? So it's a T50 torque socket for the rear seat belts. You can see they got a special star shape on there. It'll come off pretty easily, just like that, no problem. I have a specialized fastener, the seat belt. Do the other side, gotta do the other side as well. Front seat belts is 17 millimeter, so it has some Loctite on it. There we go. You see they use some sort of blue type Loctite on here. Side is secured with clips on here. So just reach up in here, yank, yank. There we go. And there's one more down here. You got to reach around on this side here. Run your hands down. There we go. Pop that off there. I'm just gonna work it off. Okay, just work it off. Tab right here. There's a pop style tab right here, just like I showed you before. Use a little screwdriver. You kind of pop it up, and then you can yank them out with this. Let's see here. There's another pop style tab right here at the base of the trunk. Speaker cover here. There's 4 screws. They come off very easily. Be nice to have a power screwdriver. So once you get this cover off here with the speaker in it, this panel here, there's a couple tabs underneath here that are the pop style that hold this panel in. And all the tabs around this thing, this can just be lifted right out. Make it a lot easier on yourself. Got a little piece of strip here. Just kind of pull it down gently. Just goes right on the edge of the door. And that's the last thing holding this thing in. Just work your way around. Same idea for the rest of it. Okay, there you go. Same idea over there. Same idea over there. Before handling the headliner, you don't want to get a bunch of stains on it. Little squeeze tab here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you squeeze that, and then you can lift up the headrest. So you can see it came right out. The seat can go way farther down that way. You gotta be very careful with this because this can break very easily. And pull it out. You need to pull it out through the trunk. If it's a windy day, I definitely would not do it because it'll snap right in the wind. It's very delicate. Access to the roof rack. And we can find the nuts. They're probably on the floor somewhere. There's one on the floor. I'll have to find the second one somewhere as soon as possible.